Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a headphone jack. The jack in a phone, Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. For this, we need a small round brush about 3 centimeters long so that it tapers in width. We need isopropyl alcohol, which is pure by percentage. You can buy this diffuser and the brush as a set. Allegro, Amazon. Before starting, we definitely need to turn off the phone. Never clean the phone while it's on, because you could damage it. Once the phone is off, we soak the brush with alcohol along its entire length. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the charging port, and here we insert the brush all the way in, as far as it will go, and turn it to the right 5 times. Then turn it to the left 5 times. And then we pull the brush out. Repeat this process 5 times for each one. To clean the contacts, to remove any dirt. And so that everything works as it should, 5 times will be enough. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. After that, you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.